all, this is Damini, co-founder of VMake Scholars. Thanks for watching LoanFlix in Shorts. Visa rejection rates are always increasing the heartbeat rate of study abroad aspirants like you. Insufficient funds or unauthentic proof of funds is always considered as the major reason behind visa rejection. Hence, a lot of students are turning to an education loan to make their profile much safer for a visa officer to consider. But if luck doesn't favor you and despite of having an education loan, you end up getting a visa rejection, what happens to your loan in that case? In today's video, I am going to answer that. So if your visa gets rejected, there are three possibilities. Situation 1, you are applying for the visa again to the same country, same course, same university. In this case, you need not inform the bank and you can use the same sanction letter if it is issued within 6 months. Situation 2, you want to apply now to a different country or different course or different university. In this case, you need to inform the bank and get the details updated on your sanction letter as I have explained in the 14th video of InShorts linked above. Once you get the updated sanction letter, you can go for the visa again. Situation 3, you have decided not to pursue your study abroad plans anymore. In this case, you have to inform the bank as early as possible to close the loan. Whatever disbursement you have taken for the initial fee payment or other expenses, you need to return that along with any accrued interest before closing. If the bank officials are not cooperating with you in any of the above mentioned situations, then you should talk to your VMake Scholars financial officer. They will talk to the branch manager and will resolve the concern. But I won't suggest you to go to that stage because you should start your process via VMake Scholars so that such situations won't even happen at all. If you haven't been assigned a financial officer yet, you can request a call back using the link mentioned above. And for your information, all the services of VMake Scholars are completely free of cost as we are funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to put it in the comments below and I shall get back to you. If you appreciate the effort we put in to bring this information out to you, or if you want to keep updating your knowledge on this topic, then you should subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues because you never know, lack of funds might be stopping their dream. Keep watching LoanFlix.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from us.